Hello and welcome to the Crypto DeFi Spot. I'm your host, Jasmine. At the Crypto DeFi Spot, we explore the world of cryptocurrencies, decentralized finance, and everything related to it. Today, we're going to talk about two popular cryptocurrencies, the Dogecoin and Baby Dogecoin. But before we dive into the topic, we would like to remind our viewers that we are not financial advisors, and all of the information we provide is for educational purposes only. You should always do your own research and make informed decisions before making any investments. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that was created as a joke in 2013. It was based on the popular internet meme of a Shiba Inu dog, which has become the face of the coin. Despite its origins as a joke, Dogecoin has gained a significant following and has become a popular cryptocurrency among some investors. Dogecoin operates on a decentralized network, which means that transactions are made directly between users without the need for intermediaries like banks. The coin can be used to make purchases, and it can also be traded on cryptocurrency exchanges. Despite its origins as a joke, Dogecoin has gained a significant following and has become a popular cryptocurrency among some investors. The coin's popularity has been driven by its strong community of supporters, as well as its low price point and ease of use. The popularity of Dogecoin has led to increased media attention, with many investors and financial experts weighing in on its potential as an investment opportunity. While some view Dogecoin as a speculative investment, others see it as a potential competitor to more established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. What is Baby Dogecoin? In recent months, a new cryptocurrency called Baby Dogecoin has gained attention in the market. Baby Dogecoin is a newer version of Dogecoin that was created to address some of the limitations of the original coin. Baby Dogecoin operates on a newer and more advanced blockchain technology, which allows for faster and more efficient transactions. Additionally, the coin has a lower total supply than the original Dogecoin, which means that it may be subject to price appreciation if demand for the coin grows. While Dogecoin and Baby Dogecoin share many similarities, there are some key differences between the two coins. The most notable difference is the technology behind the coins. Baby Dogecoin operates on a newer and more advanced blockchain technology, which allows for faster and more efficient transactions. Another difference between the two coins is their total supply. Baby Dogecoin has a lower total supply than the original Dogecoin, which means that it may be subject to price appreciation if demand for the coin grows over time. As with any investment, investing in Dogecoin or Baby Dogecoin carries risks. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, and prices can fluctuate rapidly in a short amount of time. Additionally, the technology behind cryptocurrencies is still relatively new and should be used with caution and as much knowledge you can gain. That's all we got for you today on Dogecoin and Baby Doge. If you like what you learned, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. I'm your host, Jasmine, and we'll see you in the next one.